Hey YouTube, JB here again. In today's video, we're going to talk about the top sneaker pickups at the Nike outlet for 2019. I know this video is coming up a little bit late, but it's better late than never. But before we get to the shoes, I just want to thank everyone that currently subscribed to my channel. And if you like content like this, like the sneaker outlet vlogs and so on, please subscribe, comment, and share this channel. And thank you again. Get into the shoes. So the first one we're going to bring out, this is Nike Roshi. These originally were released back in 2012. Ever since then, they've been released every year. If you ever go to the Nike outlets, you'll find different colorways of this particular shoe, always on sale. This particular one typically retails for around $70, but when you go to the Nike outlet, it ranges from $29 to $50, and on top of that, they'll have like 20% to 30% off, and sometimes up to 40% off, along with what they call like the Nike Plus rewards or MVP rewards. This particular one I was able to pick up really cheap for I believe around like $30. I like this. This is one of their minimalist design. It's a great shoe for almost everyday errands. It's lightweight, just slip it on and off you go. And I love this colorway here. This is the wolf gray colorway I picked up last year. Alright guys, so let's go to the next shoes. So on our next pickup at the Nike outlet, another classic OG. This particular colorway is what they call like the wheat flax tan is what the official colorway for it. Classic Huaraches form factor, has the neoprene sleeve, and this particular one has a nubuck upper in the wheat colorway. This particular one we got at the outlet very cheap. Typically retails for around $110, $120. Still available in most retailers in different colorways. This particular one we got at around like $35, $40. So almost like 40 to 60% off. Depending on your Nike outlet, they'll have them in different sizes, different colorways. So always keep a lookout. These are a classic pair. You could never go wrong. And if you get them below retail, just a bonus. We'll go to the next shoe and see what we got. So our next shoe in our Nike outlet pickup for 2019. This one, it is a play on a classic silhouette. This is the Jordan 1 High OG React. The reason why it's called the React is instead of your traditional Nike Air, it has the Nike React as the midsole. This particular model is a mixture of like a mesh with leather overlays, leather toe, and Nike swoosh. I think the lateral side is a plastic molded compared to the medial side, which is your traditional leather Nike swoosh. It has like the Nike tab here. It has additional red tabs for your heel when you put it in the shoe. And what makes it really different from your other traditional like Air Jordans, the laces that you see here are double the size of your traditional laces, similar to like the Air Jordan laces, but they're about twice the size. Picked up at the outlet around $100, originally sold at $160 at the retail stores. Not a lot of people like this, but this particular model has grown on me. A great color blocking that you see, all black, white with red. Other shoes that I'm going to show to have the same type of colorway. Okay, let's go see the other shoes. Air Jordan 1 Defiant, I believe the third or fourth shoe of the Defiant series release from 2019, or Nike Air Jordan 1 Defiant Tour Yellow. The reason why they call it Tour Yellow is on the left pair medial side you have the yellow swoosh indicating that it's a Tour Yellow. What's really unique about the shoe is outline or the shadow of the Nike swoosh here. So instead of your traditional Nike swoosh logo there, they've left behind basically the stitching in a frayed pattern in the Nike logo silhouette. You'll see it in 3 out of the 4 panels of the shoe. On the right pair, both sides, the lateral and medial side, almost like a union type lacing. So you have 2 laces here. So this one has upper, full upper leather with like the other, almost the same color blocking, black, white, and red overlays. What set this apart from other Air Jordan 1 is from instead of your traditional nylon leather, you have your Nike logo here, outlined in retail for $160 at the retail store. and at the outlets you got this less than $100. Alright guys, so our next pair, Nike Moonracers. It is based off the original Nike Moonracer that was released in the early 70s. It looks like Cortez, oversized Nike logo on both the medial and the lateral side. It is a modern interpretation of the Moonracer. Upper canvas material, suede materials in certain sections of the shoe. Outsole pattern that you see here, it's narrow and it's designed really more for lifestyle than actual running. And what makes this modern interpretation, it uses a full Nike React midsole. It has like sprinkled black speckles to indicate like debris or something regarding the moon. The insole on these have picture of moon surface as part of their the insole. Pricing on the Moonracers originally sold for $150, so this shoe came out to about less than $20. So from $150 to $20 for this shoe. Can't be beat for a Nike React shoe. And I believe this is a great example of just finding those hidden gems at the Nike outlet. On to our next shoe, OG Nike Cortez in leather. This particular colorway, the Midnight Navy, this is a retro of the OG 1972 Cortez. It has your traditional blue and white colorway. It is made of full upper leather. This is designed with full leather on the upper with the oversized Nike swoosh on both sides. This particular shoe typically sells for about $85 to $90 full retail. You can still get these at any traditional retailer outlets, including Nike. I found at the Nike outlet $29.99 plus 20% off, so about $20, $25 for OG full leather Midnight Navy Cortez. Another gem at the Nike outlets. So our next shoe is basically another Cortez. This time this is in the very popular white, red, blue colorway, or aka the Forrest Gumps. This SE, or the premium version of the Forrest Gump. So the OG Forrest Gumps SE version, it uses a more durable leather upper with a low ankle cut here, so it prevents chafing on your ankles. Upgraded midsole compared to the OG Cortez. And this particular model typically sells for around $85 to $90, about $10 to $15 more than your traditional OG Cortez, due to the premium materials that they use. This particular one, when we found it at the outlet, was selling for $39.99 minus 20%, plus using MVP rewards, we got this down below $20. So another gem that we found at the Nike outlets. Okay, let's go on to the next shoe. This is it. This is the Air Force One in white on white. These are based off the 2007 version of the Air Force One, basically the 25th anniversary that was released about 15 years ago. This particular model sports premium upper leather material on a white on white midsole and outsole with a Nike Air unit. This is one of the more comfortable shoes that you can wear. This particular silhouette, classic. You can't go wrong with a pair of clean, crisp Air Force One in your collection. We found at the outlet, it was selling for a retail price of 40% off. So this particular pair we were able to cop at around like $50. Typically it sells retail price at $90 to $100 after tax. Or one of the hidden gems that we found at the Nike outlets in 2019. This time it's the Air Jordan 1 in the gym red colorway, similar to the Defiant Tour Yellow and the Jordan Y High React. It sports the same color blocking, black, white on red. A lot of people say it's a poor man's version of the not for resale, and if you weren't able to get one, the gym red is a great alternative to that. You were able to get this at the Nike outlet about less than $100. Typically sells for around $160 or $170 after taxes. It just goes to show that you can find hidden gems at the Nike outlet. And you don't have to pay retail price for a particular shoe. And if you wait long enough, you'll find a pair of shoes at the Nike outlet for a great price. So the next shoe is my top pick for the Nike outlets for 2019. And I think you'll know why once I pull it up. So this is the Air Jordan 11 Low in the cool gray colorway. It sports cool gray nubuck upper compared to your traditional ballistic mesh boards or the breads. Cool gray patent leather throughout the middle of the heel. Has the white midsole with the icy cool outsole, herringbone pattern, and the carbon plate here. And you can see the Nike logo. So this one we found at the Nike outlet. They were selling for $65. But this is, I would consider, my top steal at the Nike outlet for 2019. You can't go wrong with the Air Jordan 11, especially at that price. Alright guys, that's all I have for this video. If you guys like this type of content, please subscribe. If you guys have already subscribed, thank you again for subscribing. And if you see any of the shoes that I mentioned here, please comment below. Tell me if any of those were a deal or a steal. Let me know. I'll try to put out videos like these like 2 or 3 times a week with my schedule permitting. I will also have more videos on Nike outlet vlogs. I'll also have more of more videos on sneaker stores and boutique stores here in the US, and also some of the stores that I've visited in the Philippines and in Japan, and videos in between. Thank you again guys. This was my video for the top Nike outlet picks for 2019. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Hey guys, thank you for watching my latest video. Our next video will be on these 2 shoes here, the 2012 and the 2019 release of the Air Jordan 11 Bread. So keep an eye out for that video coming soon in the next week. Thank you again guys. Until the next video.